Alright guys, it's officially dumping snow here.
That's what they say.
Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah River. Life is old there.
What's up guys, welcome back to RK Backyard Boarding. We're here with Will today.
What's up, guys?
Yeah, so Will recently, if you guys remember last season, he cracked his snowboard. Alright, Will's board just absolutely cracked. You can see the line right here. But he got it fixed. How'd you do that, Will?
Well, I just used a file to sand off the top sheet all the way down to the wood. Then I just poured some JB Weld in there. So we're hoping it holds. It might not, but
that's the big question today. Will the board hold? So right now it's currently kind of raining or sleeting, and we're hoping it switches over to snow. That was the whole point of coming here. But yeah, we'll just see how the day goes.
Alright, update on the board situation. It's kind of completely cracked now.
So hard to see.
Yeah, you can't even see it, but trust me, it's cracked.
Yeah.
I'll just be riding switch the rest of the day, and then let's go board shopping.
Not looking so good, but I guess we'll get a video of board shopping.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so we got a little update. My binding has fallen off, as you can see. There's supposed to be a piece right here. It's fallen off. So Will and I have both broken our boards today. It was a fun day, but we're gonna head home now.
Yeah.
Just can't be riding anymore. It's not safe.
Country roads take me home.